Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alright, today I would like, today I would like to teach about reading comprehension. Okay, next slide, Mbak. Next slide, Mbak Arung. Okay, anyone would like to read the reading comprehension text? Mbak Anissa Failasova, please read the text, Mbak. Leonardo da Vinci. Mbak Anissa Failasova, please.
Iya, Bu. Yang mulai Leonardo itu.
Yes, you're right.
Leonardo da Vinci was born on April 15,
1452.
1452 in Vinci, Italy. He was the illegitimate son of Sir Piero, a Florentine notary and landlord, but lived on the estate and was treated as a legitimate one. 5. In 1483, Leonardo da Vinci drew the first model of a helicopter. It did not look very much like our modern-day copter, but the idea of what it could do was about the same. Sudah, Bu.
Leonardo was an artist and sculptor. Go on, Mbak, until the last paragraph. Until Amboise.
Leonardo was an artist and sculptor. He was very interested in motion and movement and tried to show it in his art. In order to show movement, he found it helpful to study the way things move. One subject he liked to study was birds and how they fly. He spent many hours watching the birds and examining the structure of their wings. He noticed how they cup air with their wings and how the feather helped hold the air. Through these studies, Leonardo began to understand how birds were able to fly. Like many other men, Leonardo began to dream of the day when people would be able to fly. He decided a machine that used all the things he had learned about flight, and thus became the first model of a helicopter. Poor Leonardo had only one problem, however. He had no way to give the necessary speed to his invention. You see, motors had not yet been invented, and speed was an important part of the flying process. It would be another 400 years before the engine was invented and another 50 years before it was put to the test in an airplane. Leonardo's dream of a helicopter finally came to pass in 1936. The Italian painter, sculptor, architect, engineer, and scientist Leonardo died on May 2015, 19 and was buried in the cloister of San Florentino in Amboise.
Oke, thank you, Mbak. Next slide, Mbak. Slide 3. What is the author's main point? Apa gagasan utama penulis? Gagasan utamanya yang mana ini? Gagasan utamanya yang mana? The invention of the helicopter ya. Yang A. Oke, number 2. The word problem in line 19 could best be replaced by the word. Kata problem, masalah, di baris ke-19 dapat digantikan dengan kata apa di sini?
Mistake.
Mistake, oke, good. The word it in line 4 refers to kata it di baris ke-4. Coba lihat bacaannya, Mbak, please. Klik baris ke-4. It did not look very much like our modern day copter. Berarti the first model of a helicopter ya. It-nya itu. It refers to itu. B berarti. Number 4. Okay. Which paragraph explain why Leonardo's helicopter was not successful in his life? Yang mengalami kegagalan paragraf mana? Slide kedua, Mbak, please. Yang mana? Nah, itu ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Poor Leonardo had not only one problem. 5 ya. Okay, good. Next. The word illegitimate. You know illegitimate, tidak sah. Anak yang tidak sah.
Against the law or illegal.
Born out of wedlock ya. D. Slide 5. The following sentence would best complete which paragraph? Since then, people have been living out Leonardo dreams of flying. Mulai meninggalkan mimpi Leonardo. Which one? Mulai meninggalkan. Yang mana? Mulai meninggalkan. Yang mana? Tadi soalnya yang mana, Mbak? See this question, Mbak. Yang mana? Since then, people have been living. Paragraph 5, okay. What was the main problem with Leonardo's invention? Kekurangan.
He was illegitimate.
He was illegitimate, no. A. Motors were not yet invented. The word they in line 12 refers to kata they di baris ke-12 merujuk kemana? 12.
B.
Coba dicek dulu kalimatnya. They 12. Yang D tadi baris ke-12 ya? D, mana sih ada D? 12. Yang mana Mas? Kok nggak kelihatan tulisannya? To study was bird and how they flew. D di sininya apa? Pilihannya Mbak cek the choice. Oke, next. Oke, tadi sampai mana? Wedlock ini ya. The following sentence would best complete which paragraph? Since then, people have been living out Leonardo's dream of flying. Kalimat ini cocok untuk melengkapi paragraf yang mana? Sejak saat itu orang-orang, sudah ya tadi ya? Ini sudah ya? Sorry. 6. Ini, in what year was the first helicopter flown? Di tahun berapa ini helikopter yang pertama ini terbang? Tahun berapa? Bentar. Bisa ini ya? Selesai ya Mbak Mas? Halo?
Iya, Bu.
Ya udah bisa kan? In what year was the first helicopter flown? Tahun berapa? Oh. 1483 ya?
Iya.
1A yang A. What two things did birds have that Leonardo da Vinci noticed help them to fly? Apa dua benda yang dibutuhkan ini ya burung ya buat terbang? Yang mana?
Yang C.
Yang C, wings and feathers. Okay, the word does in line 17 could best be replaced by line 17. Does. Does bisa menggantikan apa? Yang hands ya, yang A. Oke, slide selanjutnya, slide ke-7. Anyone would like to read the text? Mbak siapa ya? Bentar. Mbak Fadilaton Nikmah. Mbak Fadilaton Nikmah, please.
Iya, Bu.
Ya.
Class vipers are extremely strong. For their weight, they are stronger than steel. They are made by forging molten glass through thinly housed called spinnerets. As many as 400 spinnerets are clashed together, and three of glass thinner than human hairs are drawn off at great speed mills of thread per minute. As they speed along, the threads are coated thinly with a type of glue and twisted into iron. The glass fibers are used with plastics to make wood and car bodies. They are also woven into heavy cloth for window draperies and into strong belts for making it stronger. A special kind of glass fiber is causing a revolution in communication. A signal of light can be made to travel along the fiber for very long distances. By changing the quality of the light, many messages can be sent at once along one strand of glass. New office buildings are being built with glass fibers as they are built. The glass fibers will be used to connect telephone and computer in ways that not long ago were either impossible or too expensive. Glass wool traps are in a thick, like blanket of fibers. This blanket is then put into walls and ceiling to keep warm air in during the winter and cool air in during the summer. The make glass wool, molten glass is fit into a spinning drum with many holes in it. As the glass threads stream out of the holes, they are forced downward by a blast of hot air and drop a spray of glass. The threads are then further blown about to mix them up as they fall in a thick mat on a moving bed. The glass we see to drop and drink out of has many other use besides the ones described here.
Oke. Next slide. What was the author's main purpose in writing the article? Apa tujuan utama penulis dalam menulis artikel ini? Ini kan tentang glass fibers ya. Di situ diceritakan jenis-jenis glass fiber juga kan, dan cara untuk membuatnya. Terus yang mana? Which is the suitable answer? Yang A, to inform you how special kinds of glass are made and used. Okay, number 13. The word special in line 10 is closest in meaning to special, unik ya. Spesial, khusus. So what is the synonym of the word special? Special, sorry. Unik, khusus. Jadi beda sama yang lain. Which one?
Yang A.
A. Glass fibers are made by forcing molten glass through. Glass fibers are made. Mana ya, glass fibers. Ini ya, they are made by forcing molten glass through tiny holes called spinnerets. Ya kan, spinnerets. Tadi sampai mana ini ya? Spinneret ya, yang C. Number 9, the word changing, you know, changing, mengubah. Sinonimnya apa? Changing, altering ya. What are glass fibers woven into cloth for? What are glass fiber woven into cloth for?
B.
Kak, B atau D, Mbak? Coba. Tadi pertanyaannya apa? What are glass fiber woven into cloth for? Glass fibers. Ini ya, they are also woven into heavy cloth for window draperies and into strong belt for making tires stronger. Draperies ya. Jawabannya. The word fat in line 20 means fat, you know fat. Fat to give foto yang ayat. The word day in line 2 refers to kata dia di baris kedua. They di baris kedua. They are made by forcing. They di sini apa? Glass fibers are extremely strong for their weight. They are stronger than steel. They are made by forcing molten glass through tiny holes called spinnerets. They di sini apa? Glass fibers ya, yang C. Yang C ya, 18. Number 10. The word eight in line 21. Kata eight di baris 21. Mana ya? To make glass wool, molten glass is fed into a spinning drum with many holes in it. Apa, Mbak? Mas? Holes ya, yang D. The following sentence would best complete which paragraph? Kalimat ini cocok untuk melengkapi paragraf yang mana? This improvement in technology is expected to continue. Peningkatan teknologi ini diharapkan dapat berlanjut. Ini cocok untuk disambungkan di paragraf yang mana? Yang mana, Mas, Mbak? Nomor 10. Yang ini ya, ketiga ini ya. Paragraf 3 ya yang C. A signal of what can be made to travel along fiber for very long distance. Sebuah sinyal yang bisa ini ya, seperti serat untuk jarak yang jauh itu apa? Sinyal. Nomor 21.
Wool.
Wool or light?
Light.
Light ya, long distance. Spray, you know spray? Serot, menyebar, semprot. Could best be replaced by the word. Mbak, PPT-nya yang satu, Mbak, bukan yang ini. Di WA Group sudah saya tandai. PPT-nya yang kedua, Mbak. Yang pink background-nya. Oke. Anyone would like to read? Mbak Nuriyah Miftahu Roshida, please.
Ya, Bu. Yang pertama,
Ya, baca.
for centuries, people have searched for a way to replace dead and decaying teeth with comfortable false teeth. Many materials have been used to make a set of false teeth. The teeth themselves should be made from a hard and durable material. They should be secured to a soft material, making them easy to wear. In the last two decides, dentists use such as in making durable false teeth that are comfortable to double.
Sampai selesai, Mbak. Until false teeth.
2000 years ago, the Etruscans made teeth out of animal bone and gold. These materials were used with varying degrees of success up to the
Mana?
itu 17
17.
17
1700s.
1700s. When George Washington was president, ivory from animals such as elephants became a popular material for false teeth. Doctors and inventors also tried silver, pearl, and agate, but teeth made from these materials were very expensive. Perhaps the most successful material was porcelain, invented by a Frenchman about 200 years ago. Light, strong, and resistant to decay, porcelain is still used today for making single teeth. Besides finding a material for the teeth, inventors also had to find a way to secure them in a person's mouth. People tried wire, springs, and many kinds of glue to accomplish this. In most cases, however, discomfort and unlikelihood of the teeth falling out plagued the person who wore them. Around 1845, An American dentist named Horace Wells used laughing gas to put people to sleep before working on their teeth. This innovation made dental work a lot less painful. Soon after, an inventor created the first form of rubber. This was important to dentistry because teeth could be attached to the rubber, and the rubber could be molded to fit the shape of the mouth. With these two developments, dentists could work without causing pain and could fit teeth more carefully. False teeth have become more available and comfortable since then, and dentists have continued to improve the making and use of false teeth.
Nah, oke, next slide, Mbak Rom. Slide 3. Oke, 23. What is the main topic of this passage?
B.
23. B. False teeth. Betul. The word they in line 4. Bacaannya, Mbak, line 4. Coba. Line 4. They. They should be secured. Itu apa? The teeth ya. Slide 3, Mbak. Ada pilihan the teeth nggak? The word varying. Varying berubah-ubah kan? Itu bisa digantikan dengan kata apa? Fluctuating ya yang C. Porcelain was invented after the first use of. Porcelain ditemukan setelah penemuan pertama apa? Coba bacaannya. Porcelain, yang ada porcelainnya. Porcelain. Single teeth ya. Coba baca pertanyaannya tadi, Mbak. Ya sih ya, ivory for making teeth yang C. Ke-6 C ya. Slide keempat. When did Horace Wells begin using laughing gas? Tahun berapa itu? Kapan itu Horace Wells mulai menggunakan laughing gas? Satu 1844 ya jawabannya. 14 coba. Ya, yang dia besides di sini sinonimnya apa? Besides tambahan berarti in addition to. Kata them di baris 21 merujuk kemana? Kata them di baris 21 bacaannya, Mbak. Them di baris 21. Ini, in most cases, however, discomfort and a likelihood of the teeth falling out plague the person who wore them.
Kalau kerupuk Kang.
Yang apa?
Oh.
Coba pertanyaannya tadi ya. Slide keempat. Ke-9. Yang A ya, yang teeth. When was rubber found to be a useful material for false teeth? Kapan itu? Coba Mbak Andre, Mas Andre Yahya. Yang 30, Mas. 30. Mas Andrea ya, please. Oke ya. Coba yang lain. Trinadia, Mbak Trinadia, coba.
Iya, Bu.
Nomor berapa tadi? 30,
Nomor
Mbak.
Bu, yeah. When was rubber found to be a useful material for false teeth?
Jawabannya yang apa, Mbak?
Jawabannya yang
Kameranya on semuanya ya. Kecuali Mbak Arom kalau memang nggak kuat. Kameranya on semuanya. On Mbak
before
kameranya.
itu Bu.
Jawabannya yang tepat yang A ya. After laughing gas was used to put patient to sleep. Turn on kamera, dihidupkan semua kameranya. Kecuali Mbak Arom kalau memang nggak kuat. Mbak Dina Putri Aryani 31, Mbak, minta tolong.
The following sentence will be complete which paragraph. It is unimaginable what will come next.
Yang mana ini? Kalimat ini cocok untuk ditambahkan di mana? It is unimaginable what will come next. 31. Coba yang mana Mbak Dina? Yang mana Mbak Dina? Jawabannya? Slide 4, Mbak Arom. Tadi paragraf mana? Nomor 31. Yang tepat paragraf yang D ya, paragraf 4. The word molded in line 26 means molded. Molded itu ya form into shape, membentuk suatu bentuk ya. Yang A tadi. Sudah. Nomor selanjutnya. Slide apa? The word resistant, resistant. Sinonimnya apa resistant? Resistant. Yang B ya, insusceptible. Slide kelima, Mbak. Mbak Evi Widianti, coba on kameranya, Mbak. Mbak, bisa minta tolong dibaca, Mbak, ini.
The lens on a camera has only two tasks. First, it must gather in as much light as possible in order to activate the sensitive chemical on the film. Second, it must organize the light rays so that they form a sharp image on the film. This may sound like simple text, but they are not. One of the surface lens is merely a pinhole in a sheet of cardboard, metal, plastic, or a similar material. If the pinhole is tiny enough, the image can be quite sharp, but then very little light is admitted. For most purposes, even the most sensitive film would take too long to record an image. A glass lens is much better because it lets in much more light and focus it on the film. Yet simple glass lenses are sharpest only in their centers. As more of the lens is used, the image suffers in sharpness. One reason a simple lens can cause problems is that it is shaped like a section of a sphere. Spherical lenses do not focus perfectly on flat film, so the image is slightly distorted, especially at the edge. Another reason is that the lens can act partly like a prism. This means that some of the colors in the image will not focus properly and the image will be fuzzy. One solution is to block off all but the sharp focusing center of the lens. If you block off the edge of the lens, however, less light will get to the film. Early lenses had to compromise between sharpness and light gathering power. Very sharp lenses that admit as much light as possible can be built by making them with several separate lenses or elements. A multiple element lens has from 2 to 9 separate lenses. Some elements are cemented together and some have a gap between them. Furthermore, the elements are often made of different kinds of glass, each with a different ability to bend like rays. Some of the elements are there just for correcting problems caused by the other element. The results are worth it, though pictures can be taken in many different light conditions and they have a sharpness you can almost feel.
Oke, next slide Mbak Arum, slide 6. Thank you Mbak, siapa tadi yang baca? Slide ke-7 Mbak Arum. The word it in line 10 refers to, kata it di baris ke-10 merujuk kemana itu? Coba bacaannya. Iya. Enggak, slide ke-6 Mbak, slide ke-6 tadi ya. Sebentar, 6. The word it di line pertama, kata it di baris pertama merujuk kemana itu? Coba it. The lens on a camera has and first it must gather lens ya. Jawabannya yang lens. Lens itu pilihannya apa? Lens yang B. Terus the word distorted. Distorted itu apa? Sinonimnya. Yang A ya, out of a proper or natural relation. In what ways does an image suffer if too large an area of the spherical lens is used? Yang nomor 36. Mbak Rosmaya Rafida Al-Husna. Minta tolong 36 Mbak answer the question. 36.
In what ways does an image suffer if too large an area of the spherical lens is used? B.
Kameranya on semuanya ya, Mas Andre Yahya, Mbak Rosmaya, Mbak Evi Widianti. Di on kan kameranya. Minta tolong di on kan kameranya. Yang nomor 36 yang A ya. The edges of the image become fuzzy. 37. 37. Evi Widianti please. Mbak Evi Widianti please. Mbak Evi. Mbak Evi. Mbak Fadilaton Nikmah, Mbak minta tolong 37, Mbak. Nomor 37. Dibaca Mbak tadi siapa? Tadi saya nyuruh siapa ya? Mbak Fadilaton nomor 37. Ya Mbak.
What is the main
Suaranya yang keras nggak kedengeran? Yang keras.
What is the main disadvantage of a simple lens that is not facing just the center?
What is the main disadvantage of a simple lens that is made sharp by using just the center? Yang B ya. The word sharpest in line 11 is closest in meaning sharpest sangat tajam. 38. Yang A ya, 38 yang A. Slide 7 Mbak Arum. The word 8 in line 10. Kata 8 di baris ke-10. Coba 8 Mbak, bacaannya baris ke-10. Kata 8. A glass lens is much better because it lets. Glass lens ya. Glass lens. Tadi jawabannya. Yang 39A. Sensitif. Sinonimnya apa sensitif? Sensitif. Oke itu ya. The word ability, kemampuan, berarti capacity ya yang D. The meaning of the word solution as used in line 18 is closest in meaning solusi. Kedua yang B ya, di answer. What is the minimum number of lens in multiple element lens? Berapa jumlah lenses minimal? Ini berapa? Coba bacaannya, Mbak. Minimum lensa. multiple element lens has from 2 to 9 spiral lens. Berarti 2 ya. Coba slide 7, Mbak. Minimalnya. Itu ya yang B. Slide selanjutnya. Fuzzy. Fuzzy itu unclear ya. Admit. Mengakui, mengizinkan untuk masuk. Berarti yang A ya. Kata 45 jawaban yang A. Okay, before we close for the meeting today, would you please turn on camera and please screenshot ya Mbak Arum. Kamera, turn on camera all of you. Di screenshot Mbak Arum. Hitungi. One, two, three. Bentar. Lagi. Coba Mbak Arum screenshot.
Iya, Bu, ini sudah.
Segera.
Sudah, Bu.
Sudah. Okay, I think that's all. Don't forget to fulfill your attendance list sunan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Absensi di sunan ya. Oke. Recordingnya di stop, Mbak.